KC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and welcome back to fall. Feeling good out there. Temperatures in the 60s, heading for the mid 50s tonight. And wait, there's more as we head into tomorrow and tomorrow night. Milder temperatures though after the weekend with better rain chances as we start next week as well. So let's take a look at the big picture across the lower 48 and one storm system, actually two of interest, one up in the northern plains producing upwards of 27 inches of snow in North Dakota over the last 24 hours. That storm system and tailing frontal boundary working its way through the deep south. And then the other news of the day, a nor'easter that's been sitting off the coast of the northeast over the last couple of days acquired some tropical characteristics, but not purely tropical. But you can see a center of circulation here. So the National Hurricane Center upgraded the system to subtropical storm Melissa, now with 50-mile-an-hour winds moving out to sea and having less impacts in New England and the Northeast. Meanwhile, for us, we did see that cool front pushing on through in its wake. You can kind of see the milky white air here. That's chilly air, and you can see how the Texas lakes show up, especially once we get into that nighttime hours up through Oklahoma as well. Pretty cool there. Some showers, but not much moving through the area today. A couple of rumbles of thunder, a strong one over by Baton Rouge, and more clouds back to the west. This cloud bank is going to be working its way eastward as we head into the overnight hours. So kind of a moon and cloud mix out there as we head through the overnight hours. Nice breeze out of the north. Temperatures today managed to get up to 88 officially for the high in Lafayette, and now you see those temperatures dropping mid to upper 60s locally, 70s southeast Louisiana, but back to the north and west we got plenty of 50s, and that's where we're heading for later on tonight. Meanwhile, offshore, small craft advisory in effect for those strong north winds that are building offshore as we speak. Some gusts up to 30 to 35 knots more than likely. So as we look at your future cast here, breezy and cool, lingering clouds through tomorrow morning, temperatures in the mid 50s. Those clouds stick around for a good part of the day, so it stays in the 60s at least through early afternoon. Then the sun comes out, intervals of sunshine, and a lot more sun as you go farther to the west. Temperatures should top out briefly in the lower 70s. Tomorrow evening, back down to about 66 at 7 p.m. and then heading into the mid to upper 50s. Model now getting in line with what we think we're going to see for tomorrow night going into Sunday, and then Sunday partly to mostly sunny and will be milder, temperatures pushing the upper 70s. So temperature wise tonight, look at these numbers, a lower 50s tonight. In fact, these are the coolest readings we have seen since April 22nd. That's almost 6 long months. 55 Lafayette, mid 50s along the I-10 corridor, mid 50s to upper 50s along the coastal parishes as well. Then after that, that warm up into tomorrow afternoon, a slow one, barely getting to 70 degrees tomorrow afternoon. And that wind is going to be stiff, so if you're heading on out to Festival, jackets and sweaters for sure during the morning hours. The latter part of the afternoon should be good, and then the wind dies down as we head into tomorrow evening. So as we mentioned, coolest in the last 6 months, breezy and sharply cooler, gusty north to northwest winds at about 10 to 20, occasional gusts to 25 possible. Tomorrow, breezy and cool day, clouds persisting through midday, few intervals of afternoon sun by late in the day. We'll go 71 your high. And here we go as we go over the next several days. Rain chances back, and so will be the 80s as we go into next week. So enjoy the fall weather. Go get out and vote tomorrow and enjoy Festival's Acadiana y Creole. Have a good one, and we'll be right back right after this.